How to add music on Facebook profile. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add music on your Facebook profile bio? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's quickly learn how to add it. Open Facebook on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the audience and visibility section. Tap on profile details. Scroll down until you see music section. Here, you will find the option to add music. Tap on it, then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now search for the music of your choice or simply browse the list. You can listen to the music by tapping on the play or pause button. To avoid copyright infringements, I am not playing it. Single tap on the song name to select it. You can even select multiple songs. Once selected, tap on the back arrow at the top. As you can see, the selected songs are now available in the music section. To add a song to your Facebook profile, tap on the three horizontal dots beside the song name. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on the option for pin to profile. Please keep in mind that you can pin only one song to your Facebook bio. Now let's check if the music is actually added to the Facebook bio or not. Come back to the home page of Facebook. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. As you can see, the music has been added to my Facebook bio. Visitors to your Facebook profile will be able to see and play the music. Similarly, you can add your favorite music by following the steps shown in the video. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to add music to your Facebook profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.